Welcome, friends, to the Boiler Room Detective channel, where I share my knowledge and experience in troubleshooting boiler issues. If you find these videos helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Today, we're diving into the case of why are the steam pipes banging. A concerned brewer reached out to me about the banging steam pipes in his brewery. Recognizing this was not a normal occurrence, I started an investigation to identify the cause. Water hammer, if left unchecked, can wreak havoc on traps, control valves, and fittings. The brewer had received various explanations for the noise, but I was determined to get to the root of the problem. I verified the piping was large enough to handle the steam output of the boiler. Then I saw the steam header. Most water hammer occurs in horizontal piping where steam comes in contact with condensate or water. Steam zooms through the piping at speeds close to 50 miles per hour. Along the way, it will pick up condensate pulling in the pipe and slam it against the nearest fitting. It's rare to have condensate-induced water hammer in a vertical pipe. Looking at the steam header, you will see what I noticed. The first thing is the trap connection from the steam main. The pipe with the steam main is only a few inches below the steam header. The pipe should be a foot or more below the horizontal steam main. In this way, the static head above the trap will open the trap when there is no steam pressure, avoiding water hammer in the horizontal pipe. The second item I noticed was the reducer just upstream of the steam trap. The installer used a concentric reducer, which allows condensate to pull and bang when the steam meets it. A better choice would have been an eccentric reducer with the offset on top. Another thing to consider is the Y strainer. The installer had the blowdown pipe facing down. This allows water to form in the blowdown and could cause water hammer. It should be piped so the discharge is horizontal to avoid pulling. The last item is the condensate pipe that rises after the steam trap. While this can be done, there is no way for air to enter or leave the piping because it forms a water seal, similar to the piping under your sink. I suggested an air vent be installed to allow air to vent so the steam could enter. Two gases cannot occupy the same space. If air is in the piping, steam cannot enter. And the weird part is that as air warms, it expands its volume, taking up even more room. I suggested the owner drop the piping rather than raise it, which would eliminate the water seal. If you would like to contact me, my contact information is here. In addition, I have two websites. Brewingwithsteam.com is focused on steam systems for breweries and distilleries. It includes a monthly blog about steam issues inside a brewery. My other site is fireiceheat.com. It's my company's website and shows some of our capabilities. I've authored 12 boiler books which are available on Amazon. My technical articles are included in these industry publications. Thanks for stopping by the Boiler Room Detective, and I'll see you on the next case.